Today, I'm showing you how to add captions and subtitles to your videos using CapCut's auto caption feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your device. Step 2. Create new project. Tap New Project to start editing a video. Step 3. Select your video. Choose the video you want to add captions to from your device's camera roll or gallery. Tap on the video to select it. Step 4. Add to timeline. Tap Add at the bottom to import your video into the CapCut timeline. Step 5. Access text features. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several editing options. Tap Text. Step 6. Select Auto Captions. In the text menu, tap Auto Captions. This opens the automatic caption generation feature. Step 7. Generate captions. Tap Generate to start the auto caption process. CapCut will automatically detect the speech in your video and create on-screen captions that sync with the audio. This may take a few seconds depending on your video length. Step 8. Preview your captions. Once generation is complete, tap the play button to watch your video with the new captions. Check if the captions accurately match what's being said. Step 9. Edit caption text. If you need to fix any mistakes or change the wording, tap Edit Captions at the bottom. Scroll through the caption timeline and tap on the specific section you want to edit. Replace or correct the text as needed, then tap the check mark to save your changes. Step 10. Adjust caption position. To change where captions appear on screen, tap and drag the text to a different area of your video. You can move them to the top, middle, or bottom of the frame. Step 11. Customize caption style. Tap Style at the bottom to customize how your captions look. You have several options. Templates. Choose from pre-designed caption styles with different fonts, colors, and animations. Font. Select a specific font that matches your video's aesthetic. Color. Change the text color, background color, or add outlines or shadows. Size. Adjust the text size to make captions larger or smaller. Animation. Add entrance and exit animations to make captions more dynamic. Once you're happy with how your captions look, tap the check mark to save your style changes. Step 13. Export your video. Tap Export in the top right corner to save your video with captions. Choose your export quality. 1080p or 4K are recommended for best results. Then tap Export again to save the video to your camera roll. Additional tips. CapCut's auto caption feature supports multiple languages. Make sure you select the correct language for accurate transcription. You can also split, delete, or duplicate caption segments for more precise timing control. And that's it. You've successfully added auto-generated captions to your video using CapCut to make your content more accessible and engaging.